More than just mufflers, the Mufflerman has been serving southwestern Ontario with complete auto repair and tires for the past 60 years. It's hard to know who to trust when it comes to finding the right mechanic to help you with your tires, your brakes, oil changes, and repairs. Our founder, John Brower, made it our mission to ensure every customer experiences our three values: quality, service, and trust. It's about the quality of our work, the quality of the parts we use, and quality of the people we hire. Our entire frontline management team at all locations are licensed mechanics. When you're talking to someone at the Mufflerman, you're talking to a licensed mechanic. Service is about our service team always doing their best work and being honest with you, doing everything we can to take care of you and avoid you being taken by surprise. We also provide manufacturer warranty approved maintenance services. We recently helped a customer get a 30-year-old warranty for a muffler replacement at no cost to them. Plus, thanks to direct access to our central warehouse for quick delivery of most car and light truck parts, we help you get your vehicle back on the road sooner. Trust. It's been at the core of our business since 1964. If you read our thousands of 5-star reviews, you'll see that people appreciate how we go above and beyond in our service, only fixing things when needed. That's the Mufflerman difference. Visit your local Mufflerman to speak with one of our licensed mechanics for service and advice you can trust.